Hey, sweetie, you want to go to the gas station with me? I have to get a couple things.
Sure, I'll go. What do you need?
I need a reindeer pelt. I need a cheese cutter and a bottle opener shaped like a moose. And I need some gummy candy.
Is it time for fika?
Oh, by fika, do you mean a cherished Swedish tradition that involves taking a break to enjoy coffee, often accompanied by pastries or sweets? More than just a coffee break, fika is a social ritual, an opportunity to slow down, connect with friends, family, or colleagues, and savor both the moment and the company. It reflects the Swedish values of balance, well-being, and meaningful human connection. Yeah, we can do that. So here's our fika with tea, rhubarb bars, some Madonna chesties, some sweets that are already labeled fika, vanilla cream, and coffee. Let's have this.
Vanilla cream?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Absolutely.
If you don't have vanilla cream, you're not in Sweden. Me too.
Happy fika.
Mm-hmm. That's sweet.
Very sweet and fluffy.
Mm-hmm. Sweet and fluffy. What else we got?
We have something with coconuts on it.
All right.
And that looks like a couple of chocolate flavors, maybe.
Something without coconuts on it.
Let's give this a try. Oh. It's chocolate in the middle. I thought it was going to be more marshmallow.
This is raspberry.
Oh, it's raspberry.
Mm-hmm.
This is dense. Very sweet.
Let me try.
Yeah, give it a try.
Oh,
Better than that one.
that's much better.
And these are homemade rhubarb bars made from rhubarb in our garden here in Sweden.
With vanilla sauce.
With vanilla sauce, of course.
And that's wonderful.
And that is how you fika. You may be becoming Swedish if this looks like the perfect campground for you to spend a week. Let's take a look around. Check out the construction on this, including these bent timbers to hold the roof up. Can you just picture yourself sitting here in the sauna and then running out here to take a little jump in the lake? You know you might be learning to be Swedish if your refrigerator looks like this. Eggs, cheese, mayonnaise, vanilla cream sauce, regular bread, Swedish bread, food in tubes. Doesn't even seem that strange to you anymore. A gigantic sausage, bologna, weenie thing. Butter, lingonberry sauce, and pop you've never heard of. Nygarda, Trocadero, and champus.
Hey, love.
Yeah?
What day is it?
It's Friday. And in Sweden, that means Taco Friday. Yep, Fredagsmiss is a real thing here, which means Cozy Friday. And for some reason, Cozy Fridays include tacos. In fact, I've heard Swedes eat more tacos per capita than almost any country outside of Mexico.
It's basically a national ritual. Friday, couch, family, tacos. You're Swedish.
Are we admitting that there's Gouda cheese on here? You may be becoming Swedish if it's this light out and it's 10:30 at night and it's not messing with your biorhythms. You may be becoming Swedish if you decide to go for a walk and it looks like this. You might be becoming Swedish if you've accepted that food in tubes is a legitimate food group. Caviar in a tube, cheese and bacon in a tube, reindeer meat also in a tube. And somehow, little by little, it's getting less and less weird. It's efficient, because when you live in a land of long winters and IKEA-level practicality, why wouldn't you want your breakfast squeezed out like toothpaste? Don't knock it till you squeezed it. And finally, you might be becoming Swedish if you not only know what the St. Olav Trail is, but you've actually hiked it. It's an ancient pilgrimage route stretching hundreds of kilometers from Sweden to Trondheim, Norway. And while the rest of the world is Googling beaches near me, you're here embracing muddy boots, mosquito bites, and spiritual enlightenment in the forest. It's like El Camino, but with fewer tapas and more reindeer. We may not be full citizens yet, but if eating tacos wrapped in a reindeer pelt on Friday nights counts, then I'd say we're honorary Swedes. Or at least Swedish. One more thing before you go. Since we're in Sweden, I'm going to borrow an ABBA lyric and ask you, ba-ba-bum-bum-bum, take a chance on me. If you wouldn't mind subscribing to our channel, it would mean the world to me, and it really helps us make more of these videos. I can't wait to see you on the next one.